Yo, what's up? We are now sitting in an Audi S6 e-tron Avant, and in this video we'll test the headlights. I tested the Q6 e-tron and it was freaking wonderful, so I expect also the A6 or S6 to be the same. It's audio tech, well, it's Audi tech, you know. So let's see, it's low beam right now. We have lots of snow, at least on the side of the road. Hopefully not too much on the road, but it could be slippery here. Okay, usually over here it gets dark and then high beam on, boom. Oh yeah. Every time I test headlights, I always talk about the Germans, so I use the German cars as reference, and this is why, because they have the best headlights. Oh, look at that, look at the spread, look at the strength. Oh, okay, I think there's some matrix going on. Yeah, it actually blocks out the signs as you approach them. Right, does it do any turning? Let me see, check here. Okay, there we go. Now it seems to be stiff in that regard. Yeah, okay. Let's see. Oh, this is where it could be slippery. Let's see, especially if they salted the road. It's now, well, whoa, it's minus 12 degrees Celsius. Okay, then the salt might not have much effect. And then, yeah. But wow, look at this. Okay, so low beam, high beam. Oh, yeah. I remember that the Q6 had incredibly strong headlights and also shines wide. And also tall. I even took the Q6 to I was trying to remember. It wasn't only the Arctic Circle, but I went all the way to Bodø with this, and it was during winter-ish, or when was it again? Well, it wasn't before Christmas, but it was when it was getting cold and dark. So that was a proper test. But yeah, so back to the A6, S6. It seems to be more or less the same. But I'm not 100% sure if they share the same tech. But wow, it is good. This is how other car manufacturers should also make the headlights. Nice and wide and strong. Well, however, I feel like maybe the spread wasn't... Wait, was it always like this? Or was it... I can't remember that maybe the Q6 had better headlights, but... no, but this is still really good. Yeah. We even have... we have snow right now, which reflects and bounces off, and of course it appears to be maybe brighter than if we were in a cold and rainy day. Well, actually, cold temperature has nothing to do with this. But okay, let's do the farm inspection. Well, it's not really a farm, is it? Oh, look at that! Oh man! But it appears to be maybe a bit colder than some of the other headlights. I'm not sure. You can see in the camera. I use the same setting. Okay, let's get going with it. Yeah, the same white balance settings for all. Huh? Active. No, what's that? Driver assist currently restricted. Huh? Wait, what the heck was that? And then the message disappeared. That is so annoying. Just like the Chinese cars, some message appears, and then before I get time to read it, it disappears again. Just keep it on for at least 5 seconds, 10 seconds before you disappear, right? Or maybe allow me to press OK to dismiss the message. It was something about some update or something, so some of the systems were not available right now. Why do you update the car while I'm driving? Shit, wait until I park. Okay, that was not ideal. But yeah. So what should I say about the headlights? They are just awesome. I haven't tested the matrix part of it. I'm not sure if it's needed to test it. Then I have to wait until we have more traffic. Yeah. So these headlight tests, they are not that much viewed anyway, so based on that, I might not want to spend too much time on it. Just want to focus on what is important, which is how is the strength and the width and so on. So yeah, when it comes to getting flashed at, or you know, Audi in the past, they have been a bit aggressive on the high beam on oncoming traffic. So on 1,000 kilometer challenge, then to get flashed at a lot. That was the fat e-tron. Wait, maybe it was also the Q6 e-tron. But here, so really awesome headlight. You can see when they flash like this, yeah, it shines wide and strong. So that's pretty much what I care about when I test headlights. So if I would give it points, I think at least 9 out of 10. Yeah, really good headlights. So I think that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.